AI workshop back. Today I'm working on a 2006 GMC Envoy. I'll be changing the oil pressure switch. It's up there by the oil filter. I'll show you here in a little bit. Let me get situated. Alright, here it is, guys. See this wire? It's connected here and it screws in. I don't know what size it is because I ain't looked yet, but there it is. It's a really tight fit, but I may have to get it because it's fucking up. I can't even get my camera up in there. Okay, about an hour of trying to get the camera in place. I finally got the camera in place, so here it is. Right here, I showed you earlier. So I'm gonna pull this plug off, if I can get it off. Well, breaking it. Oh. Tight fit. Got it. Now, I gotta see what size that is. Don't quite know. Okay, I got the size. It's a 1.16". So now I'm gonna try to wedge it up in here. Got it on. That's it. Alright, make sure you put the new O-ring on it. Make sure the new one got one. Has one, I should say. And then, you know, put a little oil on it. Seal it up. Alright, there we go. Going back in. Alright, there was a bracket right here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, the camera's. Take it off. I took it off. If I get my hand in between these two hoses, made it a little bit easier. It's done. I'm gonna start it. See how it goes. There it is. It's all done. Thanks for watching.